Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a beautiful black photo drop like this one behind me, then I would definitely suggest checking out this one from Aimosen. We used this at an anniversary party to set up a little photo station, and it was absolutely perfect. I was so impressed at the quality and effectiveness of this photo drop. I got this without really knowing the setup of our location, and much to my surprise, our photo booth was near a couple of windows, so I was a little bit worried that the light was shining through. With this backdrop, it blocked out all the light and kept a really nice photo area for our guests to enjoy. I loved the quality of this. First of all, we took it right out of the package to use, and with a little steaming in a matter of minutes, it was a beautiful wrinkle-free fabric. This is a 8 by 10 foot backdrop, so it provides a nice wide area that fits in plenty of people. We used the rod pocket, which was really nice and convenient and allowed for a really pretty drape look too. I personally love a black backdrop, and then you can accent with colors. It provides such a nice contrast against so many colors. We had some really cute white numbers and gold and white balloons, and so that black just really contrasted against those colors to make it look super special. So if you're looking for an easy to use and nice quality backdrop, I would definitely check this one out. And that's just my point of view.